Welcome to Awakening Mentor, where your healing begins and your growth is never rushed. So if you're ready to come home to yourself, let's begin. Part 1. The pain that changed you. There was a version with you who held on just to survive. The one who cried, silently showed up anyway and kept pretending to be okay. That version of you wasn't weak. They were just trying to protect you, but you weren't meant to stay in that place forever. Part 2. You're not broken, you're rebuilding. Feeling broken isn't the end. It's a sign you're finally ready to rebuild. No one talks about the quiet moments where you outgrow your pain, where you stop blaming yourself, where you start choosing peace over proving yourself. Healing is messy, but it's movement. Part 3. The invitation to rise. This is your reminder. You were never meant to stay broken. You were meant to break open, to let the light in. You don't have to rush. You just have to begin. If this message found you at the right time, leave a comment below and let your voice be part of the healing. Don't forget to like this video if it spoke to your heart and subscribe to Awakening Mentor for weekly reminders that you're not alone on this journey. Until next time, keep going.